56. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer. Which expression matches the clue 832.25 and divides the result by 0.5? 832.25. Write in parentheses here and then divide the result by 0.5. Choose letter C. Question number 2. Subtract 2.2 from 6.42 and multiply the result by 3. Then the expression will be what? Subtract 2.2 from 6 and 42 hundredths. Subtract 2.2 from this number, we called it the maniand, and 2.2 subtrahend. And then multiply the result by 3. Question number 2, choose letter D. Question number 3. Which expression matches the clue? Multiply 5.4 by 100, next 818, last divided by the result 9. Okay, the last one divided by 9. So we can write 5.4 multiplication by 100, next 818. Okay, last divided by 9. Last step divided by 9. Okay. Or you can write in one parenthesis 5.4 times 100 plus 18 and multiplication by 9. Okay, choose letter D about question number 3. Question number 4. Which expression matches the clue? Divided 66 by 0.2 and 8 the result to product of multiplying 3.6 by 0.1. Okay, divided 66 by 0.2, then 8 the result to the product of 3.6 by 0.1. We can write this in parentheses, or we can write 66 divided by 0.2 plus 3.6 times 0.1. Why? Because division is the first step and it's second step, and addition the last step. Choose letter A about question 4. Question 5. Which expression matches clue 87.12 to the result of multiplying 2.1 by 10, then subtract the result by 45? Letter B. Choose letter B about question number 5. Why? Because he won't add 7.12 to the result of multiplying 2.1 and 10, and then subtract from 45. 45 we called it the maniand. Right in the first here, subtract and write parentheses. We write 7.12 to the product of two numbers here, 2.1 by 10. 2.1 by 10. Or you can replace to this number, write 45 in the first, subtract 2.1 times 10 plus 7.1 and 2. Again, add 7.1 and 2 to the result of multiplying 2.1 times 10. Okay, then subtract the result from 45. Choose letter B. Question number 6. Which expression matches the clue? Find the difference between 42 and 37. Multiply by the sum of 2 and 8. Then divide 2000 by the result. 2000 divided by the result. About what is the difference between two numbers? 42 and 37. Here the product multiply by the sum of 2 and 8. Again 2000 divided by the result of this expression. Find the difference between 42 and 37. Right, 42 subtract by 37. Multiply by the sum of 2 and 8. Multiply sum 2 and 8. Then divide 2000 by the result. Okay, it result here. Choose letter B about this example. Question 7. Which expression matches the clue? Juvena put 60 fish. He put 5 fish in 9 pools. 9 pools each. How many fish are left with Juvena? He has 60 fish and he put 5 fish in 5 pools. So the remainder with him will be 60 subtract by the multiplication 5 and 9. This is the remainder. Okay, 60 subtract 5 by 9. Choose letter D. Question 8. Which expression matches the clue? Mary ran 12.5 kilometers for 3 days each and 11.3 kilometers for 7 days each. How many kilometers did she run in these 10 days? Okay, we can write Mary ran, she ran 12.5 for 3 days, and it will be plus 11.3 kilometer for 7 days. How many kilometers did she run in these 10 days? You must choose letter E. Okay, 12.7 or 12.5 multiplication by 3, it adds 3 days, and 11.3 times 7, it the kilometers at 7 days. Again, Mary ran 12.5 at 3 days, 11.3 at 7 days. You want to find the total at 10 days. 7 plus 3 equals 10. So in the 3 days, she walked 12.5 times 3, and next 7 days, 11.3 times 7, we can add them. Choose letter A about this question number 8. Okay, you want to find the expression only, don't find the result. If you want to find the result about this example, you can find the first step, multiplication here, 12.5 times 3 and 11.3 times 7, and then add the result to answer.